Hello students, I am Bharti Shinde working as a lecturer in Praveen Patil Polytechnic College. In previous videos, we have seen projection of straight lines and planes. In this video, we will start the second chapter of engineering drawing, projection of solids. So first we will see the basic concepts for drawing projection of solids. So this is a square, then this is pentagon and this is hexagon. First we will see the conditions for drawing pyramid. This is about pyramid. So this is a pentagonal pyramid, hexagonal pyramid and square pyramid. So when we will use these conditions, so for this remember that when it is given as edge of base in HP or edge of base in VP, so when edge of base is given, then we will use these first conditions, that is edge is at right side. Then when edge of base is given, then we will use these first diagrams. This is for edge of base, or this is edge. Here this is edge and this is also edge. Then when we will use these conditions, when it is given that the corner of base in HP or corner of base in VP, then we will use these conditions, that is corner is at right side. So this is corner. Corner and this also corner. Or also when it is given that the face in HP or face in VP or face inclined to HP or face inclined to VP, then we will use these conditions, that is face, that is this is edge. So when we will draw a pyramid, then there is only one face. So when we draw pyramid, then there is only one face, and when we will draw prism, then for prism there are two faces. So when this is the edge, then this edge shows a face. So when it is given that face in HP or face in VP or face inclined to HP, inclined to VP, then we will use these conditions. And when it is given that slant edge in HP or slant edge in VP or vertical edge inclined to HP, inclined to VP, then we will use this condition, that is slant edge. Slant edge means like this condition. Then when we will draw prism, then there are 2 points like this. For pyramid, only single points are there because pyramid has only one face. But for prism there are two faces, and for this reason we will write two names at each corner or at each point, and center point we will show as OP. Here also center as OP. Now remember, for drawing that first we will draw edge at right side like this when it is given that edge of base in HP. Then first we will draw edge at right side, then that edge is perpendicular to xy. And third condition, 2 points at right side. These are the 2 points. So 2 points always at right side when about edge is given, and when corner of base in HP or corner of base in VP given, then remember first condition, at right side there is a corner like this, and only one point at right side. So only one point at right side, because corner shows only a single point. Now remember, pyramid has only one base and slanted edges. Prism has two base and straight edges. Then cube, when in example cube is given, then cube is same as prism but all sides are same for cube. Then when about cone given, then cone is also same as pyramid but at base there is a circle for cone. And cylinder is same as prism, but when cylinder is given, then the base of cylinder is a circle. Now for drawing, remember this condition. Then for internal points, when two lines meet at a point, then two dark lines meet at a point, then third line is also a dark from that point for internal point. And when two lines are dotted from a single point, then third line will also be a dotted. This is the condition for internal points. Now we will take one example. A pentagonal prism base 30 mm and axis 65 mm long is kept on VP on one of its base edges such that the rectangular face containing that base edge makes an angle 30 degree with VP. Draw projections of prism when its axis is parallel to HP. So base edge of pentagonal prism is on VP, kept on VP. So consider it is standing in its base on VP with side perpendicular to HP, that is side perpendicular to XY. So draw a pentagon having side 30 mm in VP on one. It is given that kept on VP on one of its base edges. So base edge is given, so we have to take edge at right side. So first draw a XY line. So draw a XY line. And draw a pentagon having side 30 mm. So I will take 30 distance. 30 distance, and the angle for pentagon is, as we know, 72 degree. So measure 72 distance, 72 degree from both the points. And take 30 distance on these points. So this is 30. On this side also take 30. And now we know how to draw fifth point. For this, take 30 distance in rounder and draw arc. So this is our fifth point. And this is an example of prism. So for prism, give 2 points at each corner. So suppose this, I will start from here. So A1, but this is front view, so we will give dash. So A dash 1 dash, B dash 2 dash, C dash 3 dash, D dash 4 dash, and E dash 5 dash. Now we will draw center point or axis. For this, take horizontal line from any point like this, so which is a center point. So 1.5. Okay. Then I have drawn this line from this point and center point of this vertical line. Now take center point of this line, which is a 1.5, and draw a line from this point. So like this, I got this center point and give name to this center point as O dash P dash. O dash and P dash. Now axis 65 mm long is given for prism. So take projections of all these points vertically downward. These 2 points lies on same line like this. And now draw like this. Now height 65 is given. So this is a top view in stage 1. This is stage 1. Now draw these projection of these lines also, and we have to draw axis which comes from a center point. So take projections for axis and draw the axis. Axis draw by center line, that is one line big and one line small, like this. So this is the axis. Now show the points. So D dash 4 dash. So this point shows D and 4. Give names below the XY line. So D4. Then this is C3. So C and here 3. Then E5 on the same line. So CE and 3, 5. Then this is O and P. And here also B. Here 2 and A1. So here also A there and 1. So like this we have drawn front view and top view. Now it is given that the rectangular face containing that base edge makes an angle 30 degree with VP. Base edge, rectangular face containing base edge makes an angle 30 degree with VP. That is, this is the base edge which shows this portion. So this portion is inclined at 30 degree with VP. So for this, take any point on XY line and measure 30 degree angle. And draw a line. Now draw perpendicular line to this line for drawing this line. So I will draw a perpendicular line like this. And now draw a line from these 2 points like this. Now measure distance in rounder. This is a point AB. This shows points A and B. So AB. I have measured this distance in rounder, and now take it on this side. Also from AB take this horizontal distance up to D and draw from this. Measure up to distance CE and axis distance, that is up to O. And now draw all these lines. Take projections. And this is axis line. Now give all the names. This is angle 30 degree. Theta equals phi equals to 30 degree. Then this is point AB. Then this is point 1, 2. This shows point O and point P. Then point C, here D, then here 3, 5 and here 4. So all these points I have drawn. Now for drawing, this is stage 2. Now for drawing front view, we will take projections from this top view and the stage 1 front view. So take projections upwards. So this is a prism. So there are two faces here. Now take projections of this front view. Now join all these points. So D here and D dash here. So this is point D dash again because it is a front view, or you can give D1 dash. Then here shows CE. So here E, so E1 dash and here C1 dash. Then this is axis we will give later. Then AB. So here A dash, A1 dash and here B1 dash. Then give names to here 1, 2. So 1 point shows here. So 1 dash and here 2, 1 dash. 2, 1 dash. Then 3, 5. So here 5, 1 dash and 3, 1 dash. Now 4 point and this is 4, so 4, 1 dash. Now first of all, remember, first join all these points, that is all outer points. So join all outer points by lines. Join first all outer points. So we have joined all outer points. Now we have taken projections upward from bottom to top. So this is the direction for front view. This is the direction for front view. So when we will see from this direction, we will see this face. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This face we will see. So draw this face as dark. Now join all these points. So 4 to 5 like this. Now we have drawn one face of pentagonal prism. Second face is remaining. For this face, see this face, when we will see from this direction, this is visible. So we have drawn dark. This portion, inner portion is drawn by dotted lines because it is not visible when we will see from this direction. So join C1 B1 dash by dotted lines, A1 E1 dash also by dotted lines, now see here in front view which points are joined. So E5, join E5, so already it is joined. Then D4, so D4 we have to draw. So for this draw D4. Now we will draw D4 line as dark because this point, as I have told you in previous video that for inner points when 2 points are dark, then for inner point when 2 lines are dark, then third line will also dark, and when 2 lines are dotted, then third line is also dotted. So this is the inner point and these 2 lines are dark, so draw D4 by dark line. Then join C3, C3 already joined, then B2, then here B2. So join B2 by dotted line, same principle. Because at point B there are 2 dotted lines. So B2 we have joined, and A1, join A1. It is again a dotted line because there are already 2 lines dotted at point A1 dash. So like this we have drawn front view in stage 2 and of a pentagonal prism. So when we will take prism, then there are 2 faces. Now what is remaining? So axis is remaining. So see here, this is OP axis, so this line, and here P shows this. So this is P1 dash point, and this is this point shows also O1 dash at center. Now OP is joined here in top view. So join OP O dash P1 dash here also, but already there is a dark line at point 41 dash. So O1 41 dash already drawn. So what is remaining? 41 dash to P1 dash. So show it by axis line, that is it is a center line like this. One line small, one line large. So in this way we have completed this example. So see here, give naming. This is VP and this is HP. This side shows 30 distance. Show here 30. This is 30. Then this is 65. So show here 65. Then here front view and this is top view. Thank you.